Okay, so in this video we're going to go over the steps to making your trigger image. This is the image that you're going to put on your timeline that layar will be able to scan. There's a couple different ways you could go about that trigger image. One would be that you have something that's very similar from video to video. Like for instance, I did old TV in the example that I showed you, and I did an image search for that, and I picked something like this that would be on all of the videos. I'll go into that in a second. Or you can take something that's more specific to that moment of the timeline. So let's say that you're doing Ronald Reagan's tear down that wall. You might use just an image of Reagan. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to do next. You're looking for an image that's crisp. So you want an image that has some pretty specific lines to it. I'm going to show you how to add something that's going to make it even easier for it to scan. But this will work pretty well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to view the image so that I can get the URL for the image. Okay, so you notice this image ends in .jpeg, which means that I'm still in my browser. I haven't had to download anything, but I've got the file image address. And then I'm going to go into pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, which is like a free Photoshop. I'm going to click on the editor, and what you can see is you can open an image from the URL, which means, because I pasted it right from the Google search, I can open it here. Okay, so here's my image. This may work as an image for layar, but it may not. It depends on how crisp the lines are. So an easy way to make sure that it's going to work is to add some text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the canvas size, which right now is only the size of the picture, and I'm going to click the anchor on the top, and I'm going to take the height of this, and I'm going to add, let's say, I'm just going to kind of arbitrarily pick a number. I'm going to go to 700 pixels. And what I can see is that it's giving me this extra space below the image. Okay? I'm going to go to my text box. I'm going to type either 1982, so the date might be something that makes sense for the timeline. And I can change the size. If I want to change the layout, make it centered, and make it bigger. Okay, so essentially what I'm doing is I'm making a new image that's going to be used as my scan image for layar. And because I've put this text in, it's going to be way more likely to scan okay. So then I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Save. And I'm going to call it whatever, 1982 or whatever my, this is just something that I need to know for when I upload it to layar. And I'm going to hit OK. Okay. So now it's saved. So that's a good way of creating a target, which is going to be the unique image that goes on your layar page.